Quadratics, page 10. On this page, we're going to talk about completing the square to find the vertex of the parabola. Actually, completing the square and putting it into vertex form. Now remember, this is standard form. This is vertex form. Okay, and the way we transfer from one to the other is by completing the square. In this diagram here, it has a nice picture of what you are actually doing when you complete the square from a graph point of view. And you can see how the red parabola is just a regular parabola with the vertex at 0, 0. When you complete the square, you are shifting the parabola left, right, and up, down, and it goes to a new position, h, k. So that's kind of what happens when you complete the square. First, we're going to do the exercise 1C2, 1E. And we have here x squared plus 5x minus 2. We're going to complete the square. So first you write it out here, x squared plus 5x plus 2. And then you have the minus 2, right? And remember, when we complete the square, what we do is we find out what is the value we need to put here so that we can make a perfect square from that polynomial. So of course that value is, you take this b value and you divide it by 2 and then you square it. So that's the magic value. We put that here. And then of course we immediately have to subtract out the same value, because we can't just add a number into the middle of this equation. That's not legal math-wise. So we need to add it and then subtract the same thing, so that we're basically adding 0. And then once we do that, we're going to take the green part and we're going to factor it into a perfect square, x plus 5/2 squared here. And then the negative 5/2 squared becomes negative 25/4. And then the negative 2 that was here before, I just put it over 4 so that it would have a common denominator. And then that is all equal to y. And so let's see, I combined negative 25/4 with minus 8/4, I got minus 33/4. So now I already have my h and I have my k. Of course the h is not 5/2, it's negative 5/2, because you can see in my factored binomial I have a plus, so h is actually negative h. So h is negative 5/2, k is negative 8.25. So that is the coordinates of the vertex. And now we can actually sketch the function. The vertex is going to be at negative 2.5 and comma negative 8.25. So negative 2.5, negative 8.25, and so the vertex is like right there. And then we see that it is it opens up because it's a positive a, so it goes up like that. It's just a regular width parabola. And so that's it. And for this page, that's it.